What's going on YouTube? My name is Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get started with this video, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. And the reason I need you to do that is because I make videos in an attempt to help you make money online. I think it's important more than ever that we start finding out ways to make money for ourselves, and in the digital age that it's definitely possible for everybody, and this channel is dedicated to that. So if you're someone who is a go-getter, who's interested in building a sustainable full-time income online, then this is the channel for you. This is the video for you. So you want to ring the notification bell because it lets you know every time I drop another tip and trick. You know, I've tried all of the things you see on this video, and I try to go and find things that you may not have seen about or heard about or even known about, because there's so many ways to generate income online, and this is a great channel for you if you're looking to diversify your income and start, branching out and making a little bit of money for yourself. So you want to subscribe to the channel because it also lets you know every time that I'm dropping. It gives you, deals and rewards and things like that. It makes you up to date, and it makes you keep going and keep notified every time you open YouTube. YouTube is one of those platforms people visit every day, and there's a lot of junk, and there's a lot of noise there. So I just want to make sure that you get this information directly, and the best way for you to do that is to sign up for to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, and just stay in the know. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're actually going to learn how we can be making money just by watching YouTube videos. Now, it doesn't mean you have to watch the entire video. I know that we don't really always want to make the videos because sometimes that's a bit tougher. It's a bit hard. It's a bit difficult because you have to cut the videos, you got to record it, you got to edit it. It's a whole process. But we all watch YouTube videos every single day. Every single day we watch YouTube videos, and honestly, there's no reason that you should be doing it for free. You should be watching YouTube and getting paid for it, because you have to figure out ways to monetize yourself, and this is one of those ways. So I'm going to show you a couple websites where you can do that, where you can start getting some money for the things that you do every single day. And the first website we're going to go to is this place called Quick Rewards Network. So when you go in, I'm already in my account, but when you go to this page, they're going to ask you to sign up. They're going to ask you a couple of questions. Nothing crazy. They're not going to ask you anything outlandish. It's just, your regular sign up stuff. They're going to send you an email. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and, make up your name. And you're going to need to confirm that you won't be able to see any of this until you confirm your account. But I know we're sticking to videos, but they have a lot of other things too. You have typically your surveys, you got your daily surveys, your clicks, offer portals. I mean, you can, go here and you can see that they offer you points and even cash. So a lot of places, when you take surveys, you can go over daily surveys. They have something like that, 80 cents, $5, 70 cents, 15 points. A lot of places, what they'll do is they'll just, give you the points, and they won't give you the actual cash amount right away. You'll have to collect, 300 to 1,000 points to get, X amount of dollars. What I like about Quick Rewards is they give you the money up front. They let you know that this is how much you're going to get for the survey that you're doing. And it's just really helpful. It cuts out a lot of the, hoops and ladders you have to climb and jump through, and get straight to the point. So which is really why I like this particular website. Another, section is clicks and offer portals. So we're going to go to the videos because, that's what we're really here for. And a lot of, when you click on one of these videos, it's going to send you to another window or another channel or tab on your computer, and you're going to watch the video there. The way you can earn the most amount of money is if you just go click the videos, have a separate tab or separate laptop or whatever, just have a separate window dedicated to watching the videos. That doesn't mean you have to sit there and watch the entire video. What that means is you have to just open the tab, and when you watch it, according to YouTube, it takes about 3 seconds for it to actually count for watch time. So when you watch the video, what you'll need to do is you'll have to like let it run for, at least 3 seconds. I mean, you can let it run for the whole thing because you're not even watching it, right? And then they're going to add these points to your account. And if you do that every day, just for a little while a day, and it's going to add up. It's just going to add up. You don't want to pay attention to the numbers with this kind of thing. You just kind of want to do it and let it go. So what that does is that makes sure that, you're getting as many points as you can, as many points as you need. And while the videos are going, you can go ahead and, click some of these, other survey things, or some of these other offers that they have going on. And you can, do the entire video watch while you're also multitasking and completing some different objectives. So that's a really good way to start making money online today. I mean, you can get started doing this right now. It's great for like a side hustle, great for some extra income if you're saving up for something, or you just, wondering if you could, buy this, or you got an extra bill and that you need to like stash away for. This is great for that. This doesn't even pay the most though. The site that we're gonna go to pays way more than this. I mean, $5. I mean, I know a lot of surveys that just kind of give you like 25 cents, 50 cents per survey, but 80 cents, $5, $1, plus the points, plus they're giving you all these other ways to make money on the website as well. Like, I think that's a pretty good deal when you ask me. But like I said, this doesn't even pay the most money. The one that pays more money than this one is going to be another website, and you want to stick to the end of this video. And the reason I say you want to stick to the end of this video is because this particular method isn't going to allow you to quit your job or get you rich or bring you full-time income. Like, this isn't going to get you money full-time. This isn't a business model that's scalable. You're going to have to keep coming back to this. But I'm going to go to this other website because I know people want to know what that is. But at the end of that, when I'm finished with that, I'm going to tell you the way to actually make a scalable business and quit your job and go online. But this right now is just, for the people that are okay. They're just starting out. They're just trying to, figure out what's out there for them. This is a really, really good way for you to get started making money online. Now, the next one, it's called TimeBucks. Now, this one is also another video watching app, but it's not just YouTube. You can watch TikTok videos, YouTube videos, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, any kind of video, and they're going to pay you to watch it. They also have other things they offer. You can post certain things if you have a dedicated Instagram channel that's just for advertising and things like that. What you could do is you could definitely just make another IG channel or make a personal TikTok channel just for, uploading things for things like TimeBucks. And you can make that a separate income. You can make that a separate, place where you make money because you want to diversify as much as you possibly can. That's the goal here, is you want to diversify your income streams. The more income streams you have, the more money you can make. So this is a really good site. TimeBucks is probably going to pay you the most, more than the previous one we looked at. Daily bonuses, earn instantly, referral program. The referral program is a great way to add a extra layer to the money that you make. And the reason I say that is because when you make money on the app, you make money on the app, but you can also refer and have like an affiliate plan and affiliate marketing for the application as well. So you can, get money here, and you can also get money by being a spokesperson for the website and for the business. Now, like I said before, this isn't going to make you a ton of money. This isn't going to allow you to quit your job and become, financially free the way that, we think about it and the way we want to. What you're going to do in order to do that version, to become that, is I would suggest you click the first link in my description. And what that's going to do is that's going to take you to what I believe is the #1 way for anyone to be making money online these days. It is my #1 recommendation. It's the way I think it should be done. It's a business model that's scalable. It's a business model that has allowed me the financial freedom of doing what I want today. And it's for those who are entrepreneurs. It's for those who are go-getters, for those who have a business mindset and continue to work on themselves and their money, and just, don't mind getting their hands a bit dirty, don't mind working a little hard now to reap the rewards later. So without further ado, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. My name is Make Money Malik, and I will see you next time. Peace.